Hak step ka arpo terik dewïong ar ajar arpo ar ki video jeng kitrok balaring dur do wayu somla baklam pendidur khamat yaladi lengkat ke jingkeno bagi dei kitrok kit dewïong beaiñ kilasa priang hakiran san social media. Kat kum na ki video lai I bukti somla ulapan senge bat keno ikitrok bagi kit dewïong palatput klam kot klam sla kiba biang ni calan. Haka jingkan unungnya kali kat kum kate ke video loong bakit dewïong hadu sau pautan bat wan nak thai nong stein. Uniu somla ula keno bakadei ke jinonti ki high level ban khaïi dewïong klam kot klam sla. Laya thu bakabai penrung ni kabai entry dewïong beaiñ klam kot klam calan kapoi hadu kendai pesan hajar tengka. Uniu somla ula berngem manra ikini kitrok syakun.
Lada lai mi register case mboy lai yang chua ong ta ka high level one go san thau tan ne kit phi kamar na umroi nei ta kit phi na penar jingking kam issue jingking yung ka umroi san thau tan ngani ham lai sasa oi kini sabi kini truk mantangan rak sekut illegal ngamalar dah ka kut kan ham ajubab BSP ham ajubab tete ngamalar dah kadai ka kut ngan rak sekut sendon yang hasaj apalat teh ni ka truk dewïong mekit nai kena ngamar dewïong nong stoin tang calan ruk khamni ran jong government katon ko auction yang sedrak dekhar nak kliriat kata ruk khat arton tu dadu menol alut ketu kan ton ne umar simbai entry kan no kendai pesan hajar na nong stoin yana mesiu syatehi ki high level kendai pesan hajar sau pautan kan ya nanong stoin baik nanong stoin tang salan romdon satu aba men kedang sahapo kataru arspa lai spa kememan gemit ya bat nong stoin bat juai
Halor kani usembut mirang ba kejala ba perstuan tensong loong ba omdan jing tebi halor kani ke jingle utik somla hanrei loong pat ba kibrio ki balap ya ke jingyai beaiñ kitrok kidei ban ujor ki bor prinyai district loong ba kamdon kam ban wan ujor sha ule ni chomitrang ba hanrei ki bor prinyai district na du deputy commissioner lani superintendent of police ki don ke bor ban pengat kandon.
Yesterday a video had gone viral where a person in Dewïong had caught many trucks pulling from the Dewïong area, passing from the Dewïong area. He claimed that these trucks were carrying coal, and he said even during the nights hundreds of trucks are passing by from the Dewïong area. So can you corroborate the facts if it's true?
I don't know. I'm not aware about it. I'm not aware about it. But let me just reiterate. Let me tell you again. We already have district administration. Be it SP, be it DC, they are on the job 24/7. So those people who found out such irregularities in movement of trucks or coal or whatever, I think the police station also we have. Why not they immediately inform the police, immediately inform the district administration? They will take action accordingly. Not necessarily that you have to inform me, not necessarily that you have to inform Chief Minister. I think in the district itself, it can be done because that standing order has been issued to all the district administration, be it SP and be it the Deputy Commissioner.
So has this illegal mining of coal and even transportation come to a halt in the state?
Sorry? It is. That's what I'm saying. But if the Honorable High Court wanted more transparency, we welcome that. It is good. That's what I'm telling you because now we are being blamed. They keep blaming, government is like that, they're doing this, doing that. So it is good. I'm telling you, it is very, very good. I'm really satisfied. And then the government, they welcome the decision taken by the court.